Today we're checking out this Dragonfire Performance Ignition Tune-Up Kit in black for the 2006 to 2018 5.7 liter Ram 1500s. If your truck is starting to feel a little lazy on the throttle, it's idling rough, or you just racked up a lot of miles and it's time to refresh that ignition system, this is a great way to wake things back up with a simple and all-in-one kit that's definitely worth checking out. This kit is designed as a direct fit plug-and-play replacement that includes new ignition coils and spark plugs, so you can swap everything at once instead of chasing around pieces one by one. This is a direct fit replacement that's going to drop right into those factory mounting locations, and it's tuned specifically for the 2006 to 18 Ram 1500, and it's not some universal setup. Day to day, that means smoother running, stronger spark under load, and more confidence when you're towing, hauling, and heading down the highway. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting high quality coil bodies made from precision molded black thermoplastic with OEM grade internals, plus a full new set of spark plugs. These thermoplastic housings are built to resist heat, vibration, and engine bay contaminants, while the coils themselves are sealed to keep the connections waterproof and watertight over time. That combination helps prevent cracking and arcing and moisture-related misfires that can show up with age. All of the boots, connectors, and plug-ins are designed to fit like factory pieces, and the high-quality iridium spark plugs are a nice cherry on top. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the low 300s price range for the complete kit. This is a very reasonable price when you consider you're getting 8 coils, 16 plugs, and one box that's perfectly matched to your Ram and ready to install when you get it. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a soft 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should be able to get this job done in 3 hours or less of your time if everything goes smooth. Now let's head on out to the shop, and we're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
In this install, you'll need a ratchet, a 10 and an 8mm socket, multiple socket extensions, and a spark plug socket. Today we're going to be installing spark plugs and coil packs on our Ram 1500. Let's get into it. First, we're going to remove part of the air intake, and to do that, we're going to need an 8mm socket, a socket extension, and a ratchet. So, I'm going to remove this clip, just like that. I'm going to take this, we're going to loosen this hose clamp right here. Then after that, we're going to remove this hose right here, and you're going to see a bunch of these little clips all around the air box. You just want to push down just like that. After you've done that, you can lift up and pull out the air box. Then we're going to take off the engine cover and set this aside. First, we're going to remove the coil pack, and to do that, you want to push down and pull up. This one's broken, but on this one, you would just push up this red tab and pull out just like that. Then we're going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet and loosen these 2 bolts right here. Then we're going to take out the spark plugs. You're going to want a spark plug socket, a really long extension, and a ratchet. Once you've taken apart one of the cylinders, complete the same process on all the other ones. Now it's time to install our spark plugs. So to do this, we're going to take our spark plug socket with our new spark plug. We're going to put it in the hole. We want to hand thread it in, then we can use our ratchet. I'm going to do it first with this side. We're going to take our ratchet, just snug it down. Then we're going to install our coil pack. We'll clip it in. We're going to tighten it down with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Then once you've installed the coil pack and the spark plugs on this cylinder, do the same process for all the other ones. Then we're going to put on our engine cover. Next, we're going to put our air box back together. So I'm going to place it right here, hook it into place. I'm going to clip it on. Then we're going to connect our sensor, just like that. And lastly, I'm going to take an 8mm socket, a socket extension and a ratchet. We're going to tighten down that hose clamp. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the Dragonfire Performance Ignition Tune-Up Kit in black for a 2006 to 2018 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter V8. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Ram 1500, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.